Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today we're going to do a Mindful Souls unboxing. It just came in the mail, so I'm just doing this on the fly. Sorry about the way I look. I was cleaning house and bathing my daughter and all that. So anyway, the only thing I did was cut the tape, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to open it, and that's what it looks like inside. And it says, and just like that, you opened a whole new world of possibilities. So the first thing on the top is a sticker. It says, be the reason that someone smiles today. So that's real cute. I love those stickers. I put them in my journals. The affirmation card, you get one every month. And this month's affirmation for letting go. I release all disease from my body and welcome health, love, and happiness into my life. So that's what that looks like. And I'm not going to open this yet because I'll open it when I open the first bag. So you get a little booklet. And on the back it says, mindfulness is a key to self-love. Here at Mindful Souls, we want to help you become a better version of yourself. Happier, healthier, and more fulfilled. At the core of what we do lies a very simple truth. By showing yourself the love you deserve, you're teaching the rest of the world how to love you. And you can get one of these boxes at mindfulsouls.com. With tax and everything, this comes to $42.17 a month. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. And the first thing I see is like a little spoon. And that's so cute. My grandmother used to collect little spoons like this. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is beautiful. All right, so we'll open the booklet. And it's a spoon with a clear crystal. Bringing a touch of magic to your coffee, tea, or cupcake breaks with this cute little spoon with a clear crystal. Clear crystals resonate the level of your individual needs, and they will amplify energies or intentions that are programmed into them. So look how cute. Okay, I'll lay this off to the side. All right, here's the first baggie. I'll try to. Okay, so here it comes. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so it looks like two bracelets. It's a labradorite bracelet set. With mystical energy of labradorite, sparks of neon will illuminate the path to your destiny. This stone banishes fears, insecurity, and the psychic debris from previous disappointments, strengthens faith in self and trust in the universe. It removes other people's projections, including thought forms that have hooked onto your aura. Wearing labradorite helps you tap into a higher state of consciousness. It's a protective stone as well, so it will keep your energy body grounded while allowing you to explore the expanded states of the universe. I'm going to bring that up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Cute. Love labradorite. I have it on. I use it for protection. I put it on my window sills. All right, next baggie. There's two things in here. So that's first. Okay. It's a lotus flower incense holder. So, looks like that. And here's the little holder. Cute. And set it in there like that. Very pretty. I love incense for sure. Alright, so it says, Lotus incense holder, beautiful decoration piece, ideal for meditation purposes, yoga room, or your sacred space. And it's perfect for burning incense sticks. It has the little hole in it, and then the little side notch. Very cute. And again, with this damn phone. Okay. So next package. We've got a lot of packages in here. So far we opened 2. We got the spoon in 2. And there's 3 more in here. Such a weird day today. It was thundering in January. Raining. Very weird. Ooh. Look at that. Nice size, too. Okay. This is a mahogany obsidian point. It's a natural glass obsidian that inclusions of magnetite or hematite, creating the mahogany colored patches. Hugely protective stones, it's used for protection from psychic attacks by those who wish to harm, for those who don't even intend to, but their energy is negative or aggressive and might inadvertently do so. Excellent grounding stone, helps instill confidence while protecting the wearer from the effects of negative thoughts, self-doubt, and the doubt of and scorn of others. So, look how beautiful. I love that. All right, next little package. I love these little bags. I reuse them now in my soap room to hold little tchotchkes. All right, so here we go. Ooh, that looks like lapis, I think. It's a necklace. That looks like lapis to me. Yes. Lapis lazuli is a gemstone that has existed since the beginning of time. The ancient Egyptians used it in their scarabs, pendants, and other ornamental objects. Lapis lazuli stone is a gemstone of total awareness and peace and helps connect you to a higher truth. It quickly releases stress, bringing a deep peace. Lapis lazuli properties also include helping you to further your journey of self-discovery and self-mastery. Look how pretty. I'm going to put that. I don't want that to get banged up. All right. Last but not least, let me get all the little papers off. Still struggling with this wrist if I twist it the wrong way. And this looks like labradorite to me. It is. Yep. Labradorite palm stone. Highly mystical protective stone, bringer of light. It raises consciousness and connects with the universe energies. Labradorite deflects unwanted energies from the aura and prevents energy leakage, forms a barrier to negative energy. The color of labradorite is usually dark until it catches the light, iridescent blue or gold flashes. Sit quietly and hold your healing stone in your hands. Breathe and visualize your intention for your stones. So look how beautiful. Look how this, see how it catches? gorgeous stone. I have them sitting all over my window sills. My grandmother always said they were protection stone. To put them in your doorways and to keep out the spoopies. Alright, so that's it for my Mindful Souls unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. And here's another look at that mahogany obsidian. And the labradorite bracelet, which I will be putting on. The lapis lazuli pendant. Very pretty. And let's not forget this spoon, which is gorgeous. I love that. Alright, that's it for my video. I hope you all have a wonderful day. A positive day. And release all disease from your body and welcome health, love, happiness into your life. Like the affirmation says. So until next time, I'll see you later. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like videos like this. Bye.